Okay. Good morning, I'm sorry. Good afternoon, everyone. It is amazing to see you all here. Welcome, everyone, to this amazing session filled with loads of information and fun. It's great to see you all here in this session, ready to start your journey with GDSC of LBCE. Hope you'll have a great time here with us and get all of the information you wanted to know about. So now let's get started. But before that, we are happy to see you all your faces here. If you are okay with it, you can just switch on your videos, and also the video is getting recorded, and it will be uploaded after it is done on the Google GDSC of LBC YouTube platform. So if you are okay with all of that, you can switch on your videos, show us your amazing faces, and let's start now. Let's Are you all ready? Let's start. Now I hand over it to Diksha, who will be telling us all about today's information session. Over to you, Diksha.
Yeah, hi everyone. So today I won't be able to switch on my camera because I'm a little unwell. So yeah, we can get started. Yes, the first thing that I would be discussing about is 30 days of cloud. Okay. So what is the 30 days of cloud? So 30 days of cloud is actually a boot camp or a program that will provide students an opportunity to kickstart their learning on cloud technology. So cloud techno, do any of you have an idea about what is cloud computing or what a cloud technology is? If yes, please can you share it? Any of you? Like, are you people acquainted with cloud computing? Anyone? Okay, that's all right. So all of you have come across Google Drive, right? So Google Drive is a perfect example of a cloud. Okay, so whatever you have stored will be stored in the cloud, which is connected to Google. Okay, so Google Cloud is basically managing this drive as well. And when you search on Google anything, any information that is searched on Google and results are displayed over there are all retrieved from the Google Cloud. Okay, and then we have Gmail. All your emails are stored in that particular cloud. If your email is too full or your drive is too full, you kind of get a message that your drive is becoming full, right? So that means your particular account has exceeded the limit for cloud for that particular time. So that is what it means. And then YouTube, all the videos, where are they stored? They are stored in the cloud. So cloud, don't think that cloud is an actual cloud. Don't visualize it as an actual cloud. But cloud is something that it will store data and then you can access it. So cloud is something. So where is this cloud located? You can ask me. So cloud is situated everywhere. Okay, it's not like there's a particular place that it is stored. Of course, there are Google servers, but then cloud is different. Cloud is like it is spread out everywhere in the universe or over the internet. Okay. So that is what a basic idea about cloud is. So in this cloud computing, we will be like talking about what exactly is a cloud, and also we will be getting into the code part of it. So even if you don't have any knowledge about cloud, that is totally fine. You can gain knowledge in this 30 days of cloud. Okay. So I really encourage all of you to participate, like to really gain experience here. Okay. Over to the next slide, please. And yes, it will be starting maybe in the like tentatively the actual dates are not announced yet. Maybe in the end of September or at the beginning of October it might start. And yes, it's not going to cost you anything. It's completely free of cost. Okay, so you people can participate in this and take full advantage of GDSC. Okay. So yes, I already mentioned what is cloud computing, but yes, you can read it here. Cloud computing is an on-demand access via the internet to computing resources, applications, servers, like physical servers or virtual, anything it could be, data storage, development tools, networking capabilities, and more. Hosted at a remote data center managed by a cloud service provided. Yeah, Google Cloud is a cloud service provided. So there are many other cloud service providers out there. We have AWS and we have Azure, and we have so many out there. So yeah, this is what, like, if you have this cloud subscription, maybe you will be charged or something like that. For Google Drive, we have a minimum access, like the free access, it is limited to 15 GB, right? So if you want to upgrade and get more resources, then you can get a subscription, right, for yourself. So that is the basic idea about cloud. Okay, yeah, I guess you can move to the next slide. So, is it for only the dev core team? Of course not. It is for everyone. Okay, not just the core team members, but we will be like extending the club soon. So other people who join our club can also attend this 30 days of cloud. Okay, and I really encourage all of you to attend this. Whether you have knowledge about cloud or not, whether you have an idea about what cloud is not, I really encourage all of you to take part on this, because this is a developer student club. So no matter if you are in a content team or marketing team or wherever you are, I would really appreciate if all of you will take part in this. Okay, like, you really want to get that experience, right, before you actually, like, you really want to get placed in a good company and all that, then you need to kind of work for it, right? So, and assure you that this would be really interesting and fun filled. And for the 30 days of cloud, I will be your facilitator. So if you have any doubts, or I will even explain to you what exactly you need to do from scratch. Okay, so even if you don't have any experience with cloud, that's totally fine. You can start here. All right. So yeah, I guess you can move to the next slide. Yeah, about Google Cloud, do you have any other questions? Anyone of you have any other questions regarding Google Cloud, the 30 days of cloud? Any questions you can ask me? Okay, I guess we don't have any
I
questions.
have a question.
Yeah, yeah, tell me.
How do we are? I mean, like, what is the way to like start learning this cloud thing? Google is going to start, right? So when is it going to start, or how are we going to enter into learning that whole thing?
Yes, yes. So, as I already mentioned, tentatively it might start at the end of September or at the beginning of October. Okay. So, they haven't announced the exact dates yet. Whenever they're out, I will definitely inform you people. And about how to start everything, we will be explaining you from the beginning. So, you don't have to worry about anything. Just to like give you an idea, we will be using the Google Quick Labs for that. It will be completely virtual. Nothing is going to be physical, everything is going to be virtual. So I really encourage you people to have a laptop. And yeah, I heard that many of you don't have a Wi-Fi connection. Like, it's really troublesome if you keep depending on your mobile hotspot and then connect it to your laptop. Please, can you tell me that who all have a issue with the Wi-Fi thing? Like, we can come up with a solution for that, definitely. So can you people tell me that who all are facing this kind of issue? You people are really free to discuss with me. If you can come up with it. Okay, if you don't want to reveal it right now as well, you can tell it in the group, or you can contact me individually. That's totally fine. But if you really have this kind of issue, please let us know. Because whatever events we're going to have, boot camps, and so many things that we're going to talk about soon, like, you would need a good Wi-Fi connection, or else it might be a problem for you. Okay. Yeah, I guess we can move on. If anyone has any doubts, you can ask about the Google 30 days of cloud. Yeah, okay, I guess we can move on to the next one. Yeah, so next, what do we have? What else do we have except for this 30 days of cloud? Yeah, we have the GDAC LBCE website. We have to work on it from scratch. Dev team, please pay attention to this, because even though everyone will be taking part in this, you people are going to lead it. Okay, you people are going to start it and lead it. So please pay attention to this. All of the things that I'm going to talk about now. And yes, So why do we need such kind of website for our community? You might tell me that we have the WhatsApp groups, and we have all that stuff. We have our social media and everything. Why do we need a website? We need a website because this website is going to be completely open source. I guess most of you have already heard about open source by now. Even if you have not, open source is something that is a software that is free for everyone, where everyone can contribute to it. Of course, the organizers need to give access to those people. Everyone can contribute to it and use it for free. Okay, that is what an open source is. So when we are working on this particular website, we will gain experience to this open source, and also we will be starting to work on the dev part if you people haven't started yet. And yes, you might think that I don't have any experience with any kind of dev or web technologies or anything. It's totally fine. I'm telling you, guys, I got experience on open source, and I learned React only by contributing directly into open source. I did not go through any tutorials or anything about what React is. I directly contributed to React, and that is how I learned. So this is your chance to learn and gain experience as well. So we will be working on the website. I guess by the end of September we will start contributing on the website. There are not going to be any deadlines as such, but we will be starting to contribute and keep improving over time. Okay. And the dev team, especially the lead and the co-lead, Mihir and Lisha, you people are going to lead this website thing. And yes, the website is going to be useful for marketing our community to the outside world as well. Like if you're going to get sponsors or anything, then the marketing team can show us the website, that this is our website and these all are the things that we are having, and these are the events that we are hosting. So that the sponsors also would really come ahead, and they would be kind of impressed by the things that we are doing. Okay, so this is what the thing is. The website is probably going to be using React. If you people have any other things in mind, you can also tell that. Like we are going to work with JavaScript, React, and HTML, CSS, all that stuff, and also various libraries like Material UI and all. We are going to use all of that for building the website. Yeah, and yeah, I guess we can move on to the next slide. So what else do we have? We have a lot of things coming up, everyone. After, like, we have the website, we are planning to build a PCOS community. PCOS is basically a syndrome related to women. Like it is not really discussed openly, and there are not a lot of communities working on it. So we are going to work on this. Yeah, this is also going to be completely open source. So we will be working on the app, the website, and it will incubate from our GDSC. Okay, from GDSC LBC. It will be a work of GDSC LBC. Okay, so whenever if you have contributed to this, you can tell that I have been part of this community and I have worked on so and so, giving so and so feature to this. Okay, so this is also completely open source, and I guess we will be working on this in the month of October, maybe in the mid of October or towards the end. Okay, the dates are not defined yet, but I just want to give a gist about what all are the things that we are going to have in our community, so that you can set up your mind in such a way. Okay. Yeah, next we are going to have some collaborative courses on core subjects, like we have DBMS, we have operating systems, we have computer networks and all this. So you might ask me that, okay, we have that all that in our syllabus, so why do we need to cover this? I'm telling you, people, when you are going to sit for placements or internships as well, they are going to pop up questions about core subjects as well. Not just about the dev things that you are working on, not just about the DSA part, not just about your CGPA, but actual applicative questions on the core subjects. All right. So this is really important for us, not just academics or subject point of view, but even placement point of view. And actually learning it is really interesting as well. So we are going to create courses on that. I'm not telling you that you people need to create it, but we are going to have collaborations with other communities, so that we can work on those courses and also learn from them. Your part would be mostly on the learning and not on the creating, but of course if any of you are interested in creating the courses and helping in creating the courses, that would be appreciated as well. Of course the details of it we can discuss later, because I guess we have little time about it, but I just want to give you an idea about everything. Okay. Next we have DSA placement boot camp. So juniors and my team batches 2024 and 2023 batches might ask me that we have time for placement. Why do we need this? I'm telling you people, DSA is not simple. It is tough. Okay, the things that we have learned, the basic things that we have learned in our DS subjects or CPNM subjects is not enough. There is a lot of things that we need to learn if we really want to get placed in a good company. Okay, if you really want to get into a good company and not just mass recruiters, like we have product based companies, like we have Google, we have Microsoft, and so many other good companies, right? If you really want to get into a good company and get a good package or anything, our DSS skills have to be on point. Okay, for that also we are going to have a boot camp. You don't have to worry about anything. You don't have to go ahead buy these courses, buy that courses. You don't have to do anything. We are going to have everything in our community. Why do we have this community? To get to gain skills, to gain knowledge, right? Not just have fun and yeah, like in a month we have one or two events, just attend the event, get certificate, yeah, enjoy. That's not the goal here. We want to learn and we want to grow in this community, right? So we are going to have this as well. And then we have like the how the 30 days of cloud is in the same way. We directly have from the Google community even more boot camps like Flutter, machine learning, and all that also. We don't have a lot of information about it, but yes, we will be telling about that soon. And yeah, we have local events, like we have workshops and various events of various technologies as well, like we've been holding them in the past as well. So all that also we're going to have. Some will be local, uh, which will be only for our campus or our city. And then we also have international and international hackathons and events also as well, where we'll be collaborating with others also. So all that is also coming up. Yeah, 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 that's what local hackathon as well as global ones. Yeah, we will be giving goodies and certificates to the people who will be participating. And yes, I guess you'll learn a lot also from here. And I am telling you, people, you might be little overwhelmed by this. You might be think some of you, not everyone, but some of you at least might be thinking that maybe this is a lot of work. You might be thinking, but I am telling you, people, once you get out of this, out into the corporate world, you're going to face a lot of challenges. So why not get the gist of it here? This is a very small part of it, right? So I really encourage all of you to actively participate in everything, even if you're not part of the dev team or anything. Everyone of you need to participate because it is a developer community, right? So all your dreams that I want to be placed in a good company or I want to do this, everything is going to come true only if you work for it. And we are providing this platform for you to learn and grow. So I really encourage all of you to make the best use of it. Okay. And I have a teeny tiny announcement that might excite you people and overwhelm you at the same time. So the thing is that every week from now, we will have a Saturday evening event. Okay. If we have any other event or workshop that week, then we are not going to. If we don't, then every weekend, Saturday, we are going to have a Saturday evening. So, what is the Saturday evening about? The Saturday evening will be about half an hour. Two people from the core team will be talking about a technology for half an hour, so that everyone will get knowledge about that particular technology. Okay, it needn't be something very code based or very deep dive, but it can be a basic thing also about that technology. And mainly the dev team will be taking care of it, deciding on what to talk about and assigning to who will be talking about. But the rotation will be towards all the team members, not just the dev team. Okay. And yeah, so we have this weekly event. And yes, do you people want anything else other than all these stuff? Any other things that you want to start, you want to do? And I'm telling you, people, if any of you in the future want to start a startup, I don't care which batch are you are, you're a senior or you're my classmate or you're a junior. If you want to work on a startup as a community and build a team, we will support that as well. At least from a developer point of view, we will do that as well. So if you people have any other ideas about what else can we do in our community, please please give your ideas. We are open to it. Anyone? Did I bore you people? Is it like a boring session? I hope it's not. And yeah, yeah, like, does anyone of you have any ideas about what else can we do? Okay, can you tell me that what do you think about these things that are coming up? Are you scared? Are you overwhelmed? Please tell us so that we can, work on it and fix it. Do you have any concerns, any personal concerns related to all these events or anything? You can just talk to us. You can tell us so that we can work on the solution. Anyone has any thoughts to share about all this? Anything? Okay, I can see in the chat box, Sarfika has kept something. We can have essay writing or, like magazine writing on the technology thing. Yeah, sure. We can have, weekly newsletters as well. Yeah, you people can come up with such ideas as well. We are open to it. Yeah, we can work on a weekly newsletter maybe. Maybe each team can take up the responsibility for that particular week and they can write about the technology or anything. That would be good. Yeah, that's a good idea. Anyone else has any other thing to convey?
We can try to take separate roles. Like for example, if we're trying to build a website, there will be one person for the UI, one person for the back end, one person for the front end framework and all that, right? So each one of us can take a role that we like, and we can try to learn about it. Like we can try to specialize in it, because everyone can't learn everything in less time, right? So
Yeah, yeah, that is how an open source community works, of course. Yes, that's a great thing. So, what we can do is that if one person is taking care of the design, UI, UX design, that person can build a team. Whoever is interested in contributing the UI, UX part, they can lead that team for the website. And one person who is good at front end or is interested in front end, they can lead the front end team and they can have people under them. Yes, so this is how you will get an insight about how a company works in the corporate world as well. It's not a particular, it's not exactly how it will work, but at least you'll get an idea about how things work. Okay. So this is how you will get skilled and grow. Yes, Mihir, what you have told is absolutely right, and I really appreciate what you told. Anyone else has any other idea to give? Okay, so Purvika, yeah. Can we also create a LGBTQIA community? Yeah, sure. That is like that's really good actually. So actually, this PCOS community also I was not really fixated to it. It was just an idea from my part. It is not like we have to work on that. It's not like that. If you people think that any other thing is better than that, we can work on that. Or additionally, we can work on the LGBTQIA community thing as well. We can create a website on that and things like that. Yeah, that is a great option as well. That's really appreciated, Puvika. And anyone else has any other inputs? Yeah, if you people have any other questions also, that would be great. Do you have any questions? Anybody has any questions, suggestions, anything, you can tell us. And yes, don't worry about all the things that are going to be covered. We are going to do them one by one. Even though some things will be going parallelly, even then we will make sure that everything is going smoothly. Like how Purvika mentioned about the LGBTQI community. If at all we are going to work on the PCOS community and this one, maybe we can work. Some people who are interested in working in the PCOS community, they can work on this. Some people who are interested in working on the LGBTQI community, they can work on it. And our website thing will be going on parallelly, and that we will first work on that. We will make a basic layout, everything on that. And then if anyone wants to like contribute something meantime, they can do it. Okay. So yeah, that's the thing. Like, do you have any other questions or concerns or any suggestions, anything, anyone, please come up with it. This is supposed to be an interactive session, so that we can get insights from you and inputs from you. Any ideas would be appreciated. Anything. And yes, I'm going to have a discussion, separate discussion with the marketing team and the dev team. So with the dev team about leading all these communities, and with the marketing about getting the sponsors. So yes, we'll be having that soon, but not in this one. Maybe a separate meeting for that. So if anyone has any other concerns or anything. And yeah, coming back to the Wi-Fi thing, I'm really concerned about some people who have been telling me that they don't have a Wi-Fi connection. Yeah, I do understand that maybe some of you might have a small financial constraint, or some of your parents might not agree to have a Wi-Fi connection. But you need to understand that it is really important, especially when coming to, you people are, most of you are part of computer science. I guess most of you are part of computer science department only. So coming to this, if you want to contribute into any communities, build projects or anything, a Wi-Fi connection is a must, even if it is a basic Wi-Fi connection. How much are you going to rely on the mobile hotspot? It is going to cost you more if you are going to rely on the mobile hotspot. So I really encourage all of you, take a Wi-Fi connection, and make sure that you have a PC. You can't work on your phone, right? On all of this, you need to have a PC or a laptop to work on this. So I really encourage you people to do that. And if any one of you really think that no, my financial constraints are really holding me back, you people can approach me or our community for that as well. We can come up with a solution of how you can freelance, or how you can do side jobs to earn money as well. Like, you don't have to step out of your house also for that. We can discuss on that as well. We can work on such a community as well, which will help others to earn money. There are a lot of things that we can do. This is an open world. We are a democratic nation, and our community is democratic as well. So I mean, I'm using huge words here, but that is what it is, right? Actually, so we can do whatever we want in our community. So if you people have any concerns or anything, you can discuss with me, or your co-team leads, or if you are a team lead yourself, you can discuss with the community or your team members, right? So do you have any questions or concerns? Any one of you? Okay, I guess so we can move on. Yeah, everyone, thank you for listening to this. And I really encourage that you people don't leave right now. I'm pretty sure that we are going to like have some sessions. I guess Aparanjini has planned a lot after
Another
this.
small announcement, like about the form, please tell them.
Yeah, so I've been asking you people to give your Google developer name, right? So that we can add you as a core team member. So after this meeting, after the whole event is done, we will be circulating the form to you people, where you need to give the name of your Google developer profile, and also please send a screenshot of your profile, so that we make sure that there is no spelling error and it is you who is tagged under the core team. Okay, and the reason why we told you to give a fancy name is because there might be many people out there who might have a common name as yours, right? Many people, there are like many people who have a Google developer profile, not just our college. So they might get tagged instead of you. That is the reason why we told you to give a fancy name, so that after we have added you as a core team member and you get your batches, you can change it back to your name. All right. So that is why we told you, but it is alright if you think that okay, my name is unique because my whole name makes it unique. That then it's totally up to you. That's fine. And when we share the form, please fill it. I guess we'll give you a time of 1 day only. because you need to get your batches, right? The core team. You want it, right? If you don't want, then I am fine not adding you. Just kidding. So you people need the batches, so we will be adding you. So yeah, that's it about the form. Yeah, and thank you so much, Paranjani, for making this event possible, and all of the people who have taken all the pains to make people attend this meeting, and all of you for listening to this meeting. And I really hope that you people are kind of excited. And if you are scared, you can always approach me or anyone in the community. All right, and also we will be expanding the club soon, so you will expect other people to join as well, all your classmates or your college mates to join as well. They won't be part of the core team, but they will be part of the club. Okay, so they all will be joining in making the communities possible and working on the open source communities, everything. All right, and in the future events, I guess most of them, all of them also can attend the events. Okay, and also, I wanted to tell that, yeah, I forgot to mention about this. When we expand the club, we are going to have a Discord community. Okay. Are any of you aware of Discord?
Yes, I am aware of
Yes, sir.
Discord.
Actually, I've been thinking about this for a while. I wanted to suggest to you that we'll start a Discord server for our club.
Yeah. So at the beginning, I didn't really insist on having the Discord channel because we were only like 20 or 30 people only, right? So I thought that when we expand the club, then people will be coming to the club and leaving the club or whatever it is, right? So we can have a Discord channel, and dev team, please pay attention to this. Of course, it is open for all, but mainly for you people. We will be having a Discord bot which will welcome that particular person with their username. Okay, you people are going to have to work on this as well. So we are going to have that soon, maybe at the end of September, I guess, when people start entering our club. That is not a huge issue. Like, I think we have a Discord API or something. I guess we don't need to work on so much code also for that. It is very simple, I guess. So I guess we just need to program the bot to do something. And we can have in the particular server, we can have different channels, like a different channel for the content team, a different channel for the dev team. We can have different channels, and then a channel for posting some opportunities like some internships or anything if people want to like get into it, or different channels for different communities, different channels for the website, different channels for the LGBTQ community, and yeah, different communities, exactly. So that is how we're going to have. If any of you are not really aware of Discord, try to make a profile on Discord right now. It's not that go ahead and do it right now, I'm not telling you that. But when we have the Discord server, you people need to make your profiles, right? So that is what it is. And I guess if we have a Discord, then we don't need a Slack channel again. So yeah, Discord would be enough. So anything else? Anything else you people want to add in? Anything else that we can have? Any suggestions, questions? Now is the time to talk. So nothing. Yeah, okay, then if there is nothing, then I will hand over the session to Aparanjani, and she is going to conduct the games. Yeah, so let's get started. Over to you, Aparanjani.
Absolute silence everywhere. Okay, guys, it's time for fun session, and hopefully, I'm stopping the screen sharing now. Now, I want to see you all. After stopping the screen share, we will see you all. Yes. Hello, Vaisista. Hello, Charita. Hello, Vaishnavi. Everybody, okay. Hello, Venu Manjusri. Hi. Yes. Hi, Chandana. Else, okay. If you are okay with it, you can I mean, like show your faces, or else it's your wish. But playing the memory game without showing your face is like you are cheating, or you have written it somewhere. Maybe we may feel that way. So yeah, make sure all of you are switching on your cameras. Hello, Bhargav. Else, hello, Vamsi. Hello, Purvika. Hmm. If you're not ready, I mean, like if you cannot do it, please send it in the chat box. If it is very important to not to show your face, then yeah, you can send it there. Or else, please show your faces to us. Shanti, you can show your face. Amrita, hi. She went off. Shravani, actually. No problem, Sindhuja. Ujjwala, Himlata, Elisha Rao. If you cannot do it, please message in the chat box. Hi, Bhuneshwari. Hi, Lisha. Hi, Pravina. Okay, that will not show you. Okay, Diksha. Diksha and Sindhuja have told the thing. Still, we can have. Uh, okay. Likita, Satvika, Hemalata, Shantipriya, Sayujwala. You guys can switch on your cameras. Like if you switch on your cameras, you can start the game right on point. Hi, Shanti. Hi, Shravani. Else, Ujjwala, Pravina, Likita, Dilishrao, Hemalata, and Arvind Arvindhan. I hope I'm pronouncing it right. If you want to, you can switch on your camera. Actually,
Yeah, you are pronouncing my name properly, but the thing is here internet connection is too slow. So if I turn on the video means again I am going to disconnect it.
okay, no problem.
Yeah,
But guys, please don't cheat. Cheat even if your video is off. Okay, how many people? Sai Ujwala, Delish. Okay, so Ujwala told something, right? Yeah, right now. Turn on my video. Okay, Ujwala. Delishara switched to his. Okay, Hemlata is the one. Yes, I can't turn. Okay, okay, everybody here. Yeah, okay. 1 second. Please hold on. 1 second. Let's start with the memory game. Uh, yeah. I don't know. 1 second. I hope all of you know about the memory game. You've already heard about it.
It's better if you tell the rules.
1 second. What is happening? Okay, 1 sec, 1 sec. Ooh, everything has one. Hi. Guys, actually, I have a plan to how to I'll get it in an order. 1 second. Am I audible? Am I heard properly?
Yes.
Okay, this is better. 1 second. Oh, God. Okay, 1 sec. Yeah. Okay. Um, I have an Are all of you able to like see the same rows and columns as I see? Maybe not. So like I can send you a screenshot so that we can go in that order. That is what is my aim. I have taken the screenshot, but I don't know. Aravindan is not in the group, right? So, but still, okay, I'll send it here and
Yeah,
tell you.
exactly. I'm not in the group. Before that, I am having a question to Diksha. Like, do you have any agenda for this 30 days cloud? Actually, I'm not from this college or a student club, something else like this. And I'm having a profile at Google Developers. The thing is, I randomly searching for the events. When I saw the 30 days cloud means, I thought it is going to be useful for me. So that's why I just signed up for this event. Do we have any agenda or something else like that?
Actually, like it is generally for the people of the club, but then you don't have a GDSC in your college? Don't you have
Uh,
one?
no, which means I'm not a student. Right now I'm
Okay,
working.
okay.
But the thing is, I've started to learn this coding stuff and then programming everything, particularly related to the Google technologies. That's why I'm having the Google developer profile also. I went to the event section and I found this 30 days cloud something. The thing is, I would like to know, is it going to be worth for me? Is it going to be useful for me? Something else. Maybe we can say something. It is going to be pretty much basic thing, or you are going to cover everything for the 30 days cloud. So what it is actually going to be?
It's not like I am taking the whole thing. It's not like the syllabus is based on me, but we get directions directly from the Google developers community. So if you're really interested into this, what you can do is you can join as a member of our club. And then I guess like whenever we are extending it to all the members of our club, you can also join in. I guess you can do that if you're really interested in this.
Yeah, the thing is, I'm already going through the documentation and then tutorials, everything else. But the actual reason for attending this event is I want to see some real world examples. So that's why I can collaborate with the other peoples and make some new friends. And like you can learn interactively. That is the reason I just joined.
Yeah, sure. What you can do is you can please leave your email in the chat box so that when we start the 30 days of cloud program, we will contact you and also we can give you our Discord server link and all so that you can join in. Would that be cool?
Yeah, that works fine. Or else you can directly put me in touch with that the guy who is going to take the class of cloud.
Yeah, actually, I'm going to be the facilitator for the same, but we don't have a particular syllabus or anything in hand right now. So I
Okay.
guess when we get the announcement, then we can share it to you, or we can give you the server link or anything. So you can send in your email in the chat box so that we can contact you. That would be good, I guess.
Yeah, it works for me fine.
Yeah. Okay. Cool.
Okay, great. I have sent it on the WhatsApp. I hope you have guys have seen it. Arvindan, are you okay to play the game, the memory game?
Yeah,
Um,
today is Sunday. I'm free. If you
okay,
people want to join me, means then I'm absolutely okay for that.
sure. Your place is one, two, three, four, five, sixth place, like
No,
sixth
don't
person.
worry. Don't count on me. I'm just listening to the entire session and have some fun like that. I
No,
can
like
count
this
rest
is
of
a
the people.
game that we play right now, that we want to play right now. And we have an order. It is a memory game, guys. To like, Diksha will start with a word, and then uh, Charita should speak, I mean, tell Diksha's word and Charita's word herself, and then Mihir will tell Diksha, Charita, and Mihir's word. Amrita will tell Diksha, Charita. I mean, whoever gets the greatest number of words is the winner, and also the losing part is, I mean, like, will cut off from the people who are not telling the words exactly. I hopefully most people of you have known, and I've sent you the I mean screenshot on the WhatsApp group. Arvindan, if you are playing, your number is sixth, I think. Yeah, sixth person to play to tell the names. So, like, I hope you are all ready. So, yeah,
Yes, we are.
okay, let's start with Diksha.
Okay, my word is cloud.
Okay, Charita, it's your turn.
Mine is Cloud Google.
Okay, Cloud, Google, Mihir,
Cloud Google chocolate.
Cloud, Google, Chocolate, Vita,
Cloud, Google, chocolate, phone.
Cloud, Google, Chocolate, Phone. I think I'll forget. I'm like, okay.
Aparanjani, you should not repeat again, I guess.
I'm sorry. Okay. I'm getting confused. Okay, I'll be silent. I hopefully you guys got the screenshot, so I'll be silent. Okay, you can just continue with the screenshot turn.
Did Amrita said her word? I didn't hear her.
Amrita, it's your turn.
Cloud, Google, chocolate, and phone.
Sindhuja's turn, I guess.
No, she didn't say her word.
Amrita, you were supposed to add in a word.
Yeah, I did. I said
Yeah,
she said
phone.
phone.
Okay.
Actually, I was not feeling well. Can I leave?
Yeah, yeah, sure, no problem, Somya. Take care.
Yeah, thank you.
We've got very less people here again. Okay, I'll tell the row. Uh, please don't leave right now.
Aparanjani, I think it's better to allot numbers because it keeps on changing the rules.
If they are like leaving, it is changing for me, or else it is on place. Guys, if you are okay with it, we'll start again now.
Yeah, start it again.
Uh, anybody is anybody wants to leave, you can leave now. Or yeah, now we have got 20 people. Okay, we are playing now. Okay, Diksha, again, start with you. I'll tell the names directly.
Okay, my word is mouse.
Okay, Charita,
Mouse, keyboard.
Mihir,
Mouse, keyboard, chocolate.
okay, Vaisista,
Mouse, keyboard, chocolate, Bluetooth.
Amrita,
Mouse, keyboard, chocolate, Bluetooth, book.
Vaishnavi.
Mouse, keyboard, chocolate, book, and cloud.
You
Okay,
didn't say Bluetooth.
Oh, I'm sorry.
out,
Okay, book
Vaishu.
Bye, Vaishu.
Hey, it's not a bye. It's
Hello?
not a bye. Just be there.
Okay,
Hello?
okay,
Yeah,
no,
Yeah,
Vaishnavi.
just
yeah.
Yeah,
kidding. Yeah.
Satvika.
Yeah, Satvika turn.
Actually, because of the internet, I got disconnected in the middle, so I
Yeah,
don't know the names in the
no
between.
worries. No, it'll go on, kada. The next
Okay,
person. No
okay.
problem. Okay, Shravani.
Mouse, keyboard, chocolate, Bluetooth, book, phone.
I think you left something. Five people already, kada?
What did Vaishu say?
She
Vaishu
didn't
is
tell.
out. I don't think
Out
so. Hers will be
there.
counted.
Okay.
Hmm. I think she left something. Mouse? Can you tell again,
No,
Shravani?
she said everything.
Everything?
Mouse, keyboard, chocolate, Bluetooth, book, and phone.
Okay. Delicious. Yours you didn't tell, Shravani. Did you tell yours also?
You said apparently.
Okay then.
Phone.
Phone. Okay. Sorry, my bad.
Mouse, keyboard, chocolate, Bluetooth, book, uh, phone, stand.
And okay. Okay, wait, Manju.
You're muted.
Mouse, keyboard, book, chocolate, stand.
No, you lost it.
Where? Papam. Okay, tell again. Try. Try again. Maybe.
Mouse, keyboard, chocolate, book, stand.
Missed it again?
Yes.
Okay, Manju, you are out. Okay, Bhuvaneshwari.
Mouse, keyboard, chocolate, Bluetooth, book, phone, stand, and college.
Uh-huh. Memories. Okay. Vamsi.
Okay. Mouse, keyboard, chocolate, Bluetooth, book, phone, stand, college, CPU.
Okay.
What
Aravindan,
did he
it's your
say?
turn.
I couldn't hear.
CPU. Huh? No, it's not me. Arvindan's turn.
CPU.
CPU. Okay. We heard only you. I thought it's me. My turn. I'm so
You
tense.
people are still considering me.
Why not? You are still here in the meeting. You can play.
If you people want me to leave, means I can leave. That's
No,
not an
no, not
issue.
that way. I mean, like you are in the meeting. If you want to, you can. Okay. If you don't want to, okay. We're okay with both.
Okay, I will try. So, mouse, keyboard, chocolate, Bluetooth, book, stand, college, CPU, laptop. Is that fine?
He missed
You
one.
missed one.
Yeah.
Which one? Phone?
Phone. Yeah, phone.
Oh my god, that's my bad.
Okay. Then Arvindan is out. Shanti.
Mouse, keyboard, chocolate, Bluetooth, book, phone, stand, college, and CPU. And my word is book. No, it's over, right? Pen.
You
Pen.
missed
Okay.
stand.
Sand is not the. Who
No, I
told
said
sand?
Stand, stand.
stand.
Sand.
Stand.
No, she said it.
She missed.
Oh, okay, okay.
Okay. I'm tense. Okay, Purvika, it's your turn.
Mouse, keyboard, chocolate. Mouse, keyboard, chocolate. Bluetooth, book, phone, college, CPU. What was one, please? I forgot what she said.
You missed one word in the middle.
Yeah,
Purvika.
okay.
Yes.
Okay, Purvika's out then. Where, do you want to have say it again? You can get the
No,
sense.
continue.
Okay, Bhargav. I'm Amma Baba. I'm getting tense now. అస్సలు గుర్తులేదు ఒకటి కూడా. Okay, tell. Oh, if it comes to me, I cannot. Bhargav.
Mouse, keyboard, chocolate, Bluetooth, book, phone, stand, college, CPU, pen, biscuit.
Yours is biscuit. Okay. Pen is the word, Purvika.
And
Ujjwala.
stand too.
Stand, I
Purvi.
think he told. Oh, okay, she missed. Okay, the
Yeah.
middle word is stand. The last one, Shanti's is.
Good evening, all. I'll just try my best. Mouse, keyboard, chocolate, Bluetooth, book, phone, stand, college, laptop, pen,
Laptop.
Arey, laptop, it's not there.
Laptop.
Not there. Okay, okay. Then my own word is like web development.
Like, okay, you'll tell your word also. Okay, okay,
Just
I'll add that.
checking.
Okay, no problem. Now you're out, okay? Next game you're
Okay,
not. Alicia, it's your turn.
Okay. So mouse, keyboard, chocolate, Bluetooth, book, phone, stand, college, CPU, and then pen, biscuit, and at last is it web development considered?
Yeah, we can. It is
Okay, then my
yes.
word is data structures.
Satvika.
Okay. Mouse, keyboard, chocolate, Bluetooth, book, phone, stand, college, CPU, pen, biscuit, web development, data structure, oops.
Mine is oops. I mean, like, I need to tell now. Mouse, 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 keyboard, chocolate, mouse, keyboard, chocolate, Bluetooth, book. I don't even remember a thing. Okay, I'll try. Shravani's word. Oh my god, I remember his. Okay, phone, stand, college. Oh no, wait, college. Correct, na? Okay, college, CPU, CPU, and then Shanti, CPU. Wait. ఇప్పుడు చెప్పాలి కదా పూరిక Shanti.
Shanti, no helping.
Wait, she's not helping, yaar. You are seeing her and me in the same time. Wait. Abba. Oh, it's not something. I just not told to Purvika. The CPU. Then I'll be sad if I'm like. I remember his thing. Shanti.
I'm out Rapranjini. This much time.
అరే
Really,
ఎగ్జామ్
I
ఎగ్జామ్
was
దేంతో
not.
రాస్తావు?
Okay.
That's
Pen.
why I told no helping,
Pen.
Shanti.
She's out all time.
Okay. Actually, I'm not concentrating.
పెన్
But
రా.
okay. Okay, but I'll try. I'm not. Oh, maybe pen. Bhargav told. Um, oh God. I remember web development and then I mean like web development, data structures and oops kada. Before that Bhargav. God.
చాక్లెట్.
Hey,
Good day.
chocolate is done. I remember. Bhargav is.
Good day.
Okay.
Told the answer, Abby.
Vijay is the
You
one.
got enough
You
clues.
told
Vijay
the
is the one.
answer.
No, okay, enough, Aparanjini. You got enough clues.
అయిపోయింది.
Yeah, I forgot.
Next, who is the
I seriously
person?
forgot.
బిస్కెట్
Uh,
బిస్కెట్.
Biscuit.
Sadat.
Okay, who is next?
గుడ్ డే అని చెప్తాడు.
Who is
Then
asking the
Bhargav.
next one, Nama? Diksha. You are the
Uh-huh.
one.
I'm the
Tell
one.
it.
Oh my
Yeah.
god. Okay. Mouse, keyboard, chocolate, book, Bluetooth, phone, stand, college, CPU, pen, biscuit, uh, web development, data structures, oops, and in the words bottle.
What's the word?
Charita.
Bottle.
Charita.
Okay, mine na. Mouse, keyboard, chocolate, Bluetooth, book, phone, stand, college, CPU, pen, biscuit, web development, data structure, oops. Bottle, and mine is board.
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 Okay. Mir.
Mouse, mouse, keyboard, chocolate, Bluetooth, book, Bluetooth, book, college, CPU, stand.
No, you missed
Okay,
out.
pen,
No,
college.
Shani is kada word, I think.
It's phone, I guess.
You used
Phone
the
and biscuit.
Shani is
Oh,
word you
I
have
didn't
used.
say phone. Okay, okay, I lost.
My sister.
Mouse, keyboard, chocolate, Bluetooth, book, uh, phone, stand, college, CPU, pen, mm, pen,
Word.
okay, pen,
Everyone using the same word.
pen,
Pen అవ్వలే కదా. Not now, I think pen is.
She
okay,
missed
phone.
again phone.
Phone.
She also missed phone.
ఫోన్ దగ్గర పెన్ చెప్తున్నారు చూసుకోండి.
phone చెప్పాను నేను.
Phone
She told.
చెప్పింది.
She told.
Phone,
Yeah,
college,
she
CPU,
said.
pen
She
కూడా
told
అయిపోయింది.
right.
She's correct
College,
till pen.
Next word she missed
అవునా?
it.
yeah, I got it. Pen, biscuit, web development, data structures, hoops, and bottle, board, and I think it's my word. Maybe pencil.
Okay.
You
Next
guys all
question.
switched off your videos, and I'm like, am I getting that problem?
Present, miss.
Hello.
Shanti ma'am, wait ma'am. You get your turn.
ఈవెంట్ లో ఉన్నా
Amrita,
ఏమైంది
it's your
Yeah,
turn.
yeah.
It's your
ఏంటి
turn.
అర్థం కాలేదు
Mouse, keyboard,
నైస్
chocolate, Bluetooth, book,
ఓకే ఈవెంట్ అయ్యి కాల్ చేస్తా
phone,
బై సూపర్
stand, college, CPU, pen, biscuit, web development, data structures. Oops.
అరే ఏమైందిరా
Mm,
అరే ఈవెంట్ లో ఉన్నాను అయ్యే కాల్ చేస్తాను రా అరే నో రా అయ్యే కాల్ చేస్తాను
bottle,
డాగ్
board.
అయ్యే కాల్ చేస్తా బై
What is the
ఫాస్ట్
word now?
ఐ డూ ఇన్ ది ఈవినింగ్ బై
Pencil,
బై
pencil.
Correct.
Okay, pencil.
Yours.
Mm, calendar, calendar.
Okay. Vaishu, you have done కదా. Shravani.
Mouse, keyboard, chocolate, chocolate, book, Bluetooth, book, phone, stand, college, CPU, pen, biscuit, web development, data structures, oops, bottle, board, pencil, calendar, shirt.
Amrita, you told calendar, huh?
Yeah.
I didn't even hear. Very good. Delishara, your turn.
Mouse, keyboard, chocolate, Bluetooth, book, uh, phone,
Delishara,
stand.
did you write there?
No.
You're seeing that side?
Camera.
అదేది మళ్ళీ చెప్పు దగ్గరకు వచ్చి.
Mouse, keyboard, chocolate, Bluetooth, book.
ఇట్టే చూడాలి. ఇట్టే.
Phone.
ఓయ్, డోంట్ సీ దట్
Yeah.
సైడ్.
he is thinking maybe seeing that side
Okay.
Mouse, keyboard,
Come
chocolate,
front to the
Bluetooth,
camera
book.
if you're thinking.
mouse, keyboard, chocolate, Bluetooth, book, phone, stand, uh, phone, stand, CPU, pen,
You missed one. Stand తర్వాత.
stand, college, college, CPU, pen, biscuit, web development, data structures, oops, bottle, boat, calendar, shirt, and pouch.
Pouch, okay.
No, you missed pencil.
Okay. Okay, now you are not cheating. Sorry. I felt like you were watching that side, so sorry.
So his word can be considered? I mean, like,
Yeah.
do we have to add it in the...
Yeah, add it. No problem. If they said the word, we can consider it. Pouch, right? Okay. Manju. Manjushri.
A mouse is.
You're okay. Bhuneshwari, you are there, right? Taurus.
Mouse, keyboard, chocolate, Bluetooth, book, phone, stand, college, CPU, pen, biscuit, web development, data structures, bottle,
You missed one.
oops, board,
Oops. Next.
bottle, board, pencil, calendar, shirt, pouch, memory.
Memory. Okay. Vamsi, your turn.
Mouse, keyboard, chocolate, Bluetooth, book, phone, stand, college, CPU, pen, biscuit, web development, data structures, oops, bottle, boat, pencil, calendar, pouch.
Calendar.
Yeah, calendar.
After that.
Calendar, pouch.
No. I think.
Yeah, in middle there is a word.
Calendar. Actually, so I quit.
Shirt. By Shravani. Next, Shanti.
Come on. Okay. Mouse, keyboard, chocolate,
Mind blank.
Bluetooth.
I want you to do it. Come on.
Book, phone, stand, college, CPU, pen, biscuit, web development, data structures, oops, bottle, boat, pencil, calendar, pouch,
One word, Shanti.
లాస్ట్ ఏం చెప్పారు మెమరీ
Word. ఈసారి వదిలేసి
మై వర్డ్ నో చెప్పేసానా
లేదు
లేదు ఓడిపోయా
వదిలేసానా నా వర్డ్ చెప్పనా
ఎందుకు పోయిన తర్వాత అవుట్
చెప్పింది నేను వినలేదు నిజంగా పోయిందా సీరియస్
పోయింది షర్ట్ చెప్పలేదు
షర్ట్ పౌచ్ మెమరీ తర్వాత గ్లాస్ శాంతి
ఓకే ఓడిపోయింది వెరీ గుడ్ కమ్ టు మై టీమ్ ఓకే భార్గవ్ మై బిస్కెట్ బ్యాచ్ నాకు బిస్కెట్ చేస్తుంది
mouse, keyboard, chocolate, Bluetooth, book, phone, stand, CPU, college,
సిపియు కాలేజా
pen,
సిపియు కాలేజా
College
CPU,
College CPU.
pen, biscuit,
Where
web
is it?
development, data structures, oops,
అంటే ఎంత చెప్పు
పాయింట్ చేస్తాం నాకు మన టీంలోకి తెచ్చేద్దాం
ఎంకరేజింగ్
data structures, oops,
దీక్షాస్ వర్డ్
నేను ఇక్కడ ఏ శాంతి
శాంతి మ్యూట్ అయిపోయింది నీది భార్గవ్ భార్గవ్ మ్యూట్ అయిపోయింది యు ఆర్ మ్యూటెడ్
bottle, bird, pencil, and
అందరు ఇక్కడ అయిపోతున్నారు
Kamra, you're helping everybody, you're not saying.
bottle, bird, pencil, shirt,
మిస్ అయిపోయింది
మిస్ అయిపోయాడు
అవ్వలేదు అవ్వలేదు
Disappeared. iPad.
ఎక్కడ
క్యాలెండర్
Calendar.
కాదు ఓకే ఓకే తనకి
calendar, shirt.
I've been out.
Okay, okay.
అమృత ఓకే లిషా
Risha.
Or is it me now? Okay.
Come on, Lynn.
Go Shanti. Okay. So mouse, keyboard, chocolate, Bluetooth, book, phone, stand, college, CPU, pen, biscuit, and then web development, data structures, oops, bottle, board, and then pencil, and then calendar, shirt, pouch, memory, and then my word is allocation.
Hey, I said one.
You are
I
out.
said one.
You are out.
No problem.
No, you
Wait, I said one
you
word.
are out. No, you are out kada.
అవును ఇందాకలు కూడా కన్సిడర్ చేసాం కదా
But none of us heard what was Shanti.
Yeah, exactly. I didn't heard Shanti saying.
Apparently, did you hear?
అమ్మ నాకు అలాంటివి అడక్కు నాకు ఇందాల నుంచి బ్రెయిన్ బ్లాక్
నేను గ్లాస్
నాకే
I
వినపడలేదు
said
ఇది
glass.
నిజంగానే ఉంది అలాగే
Glass.
We didn't hear.
సరే లిషా బాగా ఆడుతుంది కాబట్టి దిస్ టైం నెక్స్ట్ టైం విల్ గివ్ హర్ అంటే తన దగ్గరకు వచ్చిన బోల్డ్ వర్డ్స్ అవుతాయి కదా దెన్ విల్ టెస్ట్ హర్ ఓకే సాత్విక
Okay. Mouse, keyboard, chocolate, Bluetooth, book, phone, stand, college, CPU, and pen, biscuit, web development, data structure, oops, bottle, boat, pencil, shirt, calendar, shirt, pouch, memory, allocation, mask.
భువనేశ్వరి యువర్ టర్న్
mouse, keyboard, chocolate, Bluetooth, book, phone, stand, college, CPU, pen, biscuit, web development, data structures, oops, bottle, mm, boat, pencil, calendar, shirt, uh, pouch, memory, allocation, mask, leaf,
Allocation?
leaf,
Leaf, కాదు.
allocation, mask, leaf.
Mask leaf, okay. I think I'm out. Sadly. Diksha, again your turn.
Okay, mouse, keyboard, chocolate, Bluetooth, book. After book, we have college, CPU.
No, it was wrong.
Okay.
Point.
Okay, fine.
Everybody is happy to like get the lead out of the game.
Okay,
Charita,
fine.
Charita, your turn.
Mine. Mouse, keyboard, chocolate, Bluetooth, book, phone, stand, college, CPU, pen, biscuit, web development, data structures, hoops, bottle, board, pencil, calendar, shirt, pouch, memory, mask, allocation, leaf. Mine is laptop.
No, actually,
Laptop.
after allocation, it was mask.
Allocation తర్వాత
Mask.
I thought Shanti's is first and then Narmada's. Okay. Mask,
Hi Shanti,
allocation, mask, leaf, laptop.
one. It'll be on YouTube if you could remember. Mihir, it's your chance.
I lost.
Okay. I lost. Okay, why sister?
Okay, just tell me who all are left right now. Who all are
Diksha,
not out.
no. Charita, Vaisista, Shravani, Dilishara, Vamsi. I think Vamsi is there. Bhargav.
No, Vamsi is
Bhargav
out.
is not.
I was out.
Shanti, are you there?
Shanti is out.
I am out.
Shanti is out.
I'm out. I am out. Don't worry. Hand raise చేయండి రా. I'm not able to know. అంటే maybe your hand or I don't think we have chance here. Oh, Delicious, you're out. ఇందాకలా. Okay. Charita, Vaisista, Shravani, Satvika. Lisha, are you there? Boona, you're there? Boona, you're
I
there?
guess she's there. She's out. She's there.
She's there.
Yeah. So how many?
Charita, Shravani, Vaisista. I confirm.
Shanti.
Sarvata? No.
Shanti.
No.
Me.
Okay.
Even I am there.
I think. Satvika. Okay. Lost the count. 1, 2, 3, 4. Shanti, you're not there. You lost somewhere, I think.
Oh, did you include
I
me?
lost only one word.
No, Satvika, I included. Alicia, you like in the mid we have given you chance, kada. Like you left 2 words. I was just not to know.
No, I didn't
No,
leave
she
anything.
didn't lose anything. She didn't lose anything.
Yeah, she didn't lose. She said allocation, right?
I'm the one who said allocation.
Allocation.
Okay. Just raise your hands so that we'll know. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Satvika, Alicia, Shravani, Vaisista, and Charita. That's it? Yes. Diksha, award ceremony.
Okay, I guess you can finish it off, right, with these 5 people.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But
Yeah,
how many people are here? 16 kada? 16 asala.
Everyone left.
How many are exactly here?
12.
exact number for
16.
Scribble game.
Exact number is 16.
అంటే నన్ను ఎక్స్క్లూడ్ చేయండి, నేను
15.
స్క్రిబుల్ కి అయితే 12 people.
It's okay, Pranjali, we can have it in the next event maybe. Scribble. It's already 4, right?
Okay.
Yeah, we have to prepare for tomorrow the OB subject.
Yeah, and
No.
double quotes.
OB or ES?
OB.
Obira, OB.
She was
You
so
will
much
be
into this event.
environmental studies.
Okay. Okay, OB is much easier than ES then.
Soap subjects
Okay,
like
I am stopping the recording right now.
Yeah, best.
Yeah.